That doesn't mean price can rule it out, because a lot of times what we can do is take care of the big important things first and then do it in phases. Maybe you could do another phase where you do the finished work. Maybe you're a handyman and you could do the finished work yourself. But there are some things that people don't think about when they start doing a little bit of research about what a certain kind of remodel would cost. They know their own square footage. They can look up what tile would cost, what different types of finishes would cost, what the material costs are, what the average labor is. You could do all that sort of thing because you're thinking about the visual. What people often forget about, the biggest three things they forget about when they think about pricing, is the impact of plumbing, electrical, and HVAC. When it's time to get permits for those things, you may find those have to be replaced and they're very expensive, a lot more than some of the things that you're thinking about on the surface. So we need to take a look at all of that and figure out how we can best solve or provide what it is you're looking for. And if we have to phase it, we can phase it.